Assalamu alaikum everybody. I am Muhammad Saiful Islam Chowdhury, teacher CZM High School, Chattogram. Welcome to our CZM High School online class. My dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to discuss with you a topics from English for today for class 8. Are you all ready? Let's enjoy the class. My dear learners, I am showing you some picture. Look at the picture carefully and try to guess what our today's lesson may be. Look at the picture. Our today's lesson is the beginnings. Our today's lesson is the beginning. My dear learners, if you follow the class attentively, after finishing the class, you will be able to read and understand text, ask and answer questions, talk about people, places and familiar objects in short and simple sentences, and write a short paragraph. My dear student, today we will learn a very pathetic story about a teenage girl like you named Shamima. My dear learners, at first I am reading the passage loudly. Listen to me attentively, then you have to read it. There is a small village called Bhawanipur in Zinaida. Zinaida জেলার ভবানীপুর নামে ছোট্ট একটি গ্রাম রয়েছে। It is a typical Bangladeshi village. এটি হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশের একটি আদর্শ গ্রাম, অর্থাৎ একটি আদর্শ গ্রামের যে সকল বৈশিষ্ট্য থাকা প্রয়োজন তার সবই এখানে রয়েছে। People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the fields and doing household work. এখানকার জনসাধারণ মাঠের কাজ এবং গৃহস্থলীর কাজের মধ্যে দিয়ে তাদের নিত্যদিনের সময় পার করে, অর্থাৎ তারা জীবন যাপন করে। In this ordinary village, এই সাধারণ গ্রামে there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. এই সাধারণ গ্রামে একজন অসাধারণ মহিলা বাস করত, যার নাম ছিল শামিমা আক্তার মায়া। Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. শামিমার ইচ্ছা শক্তি এবং সংকল্প তাকে অসাধারণ বানিয়েছে। She has seen the most cruel aspect of life. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life. তিনি দেখেছেন তার জীবনের সবচেয়ে নির্মম সময়, সবচেয়ে কঠিন সময় যা তিনি পার করে এসেছেন। বাট the cruelty could not defeat her spirit, কিন্তু এই নির্মমতা তার স্পৃহাকে পরাজিত করতে পারেনি। She has come out as a winner. She has come out as a winner. তিনি বিজয়ীর বেশে বের হয়ে এলেন। Defying all the odds of life. জীবনের সকল বাধা বিপত্তিকে পরাজিত করে। শামিমা is now 32 years old. শামিমার বয়স এখন 32 বছর। She has only one son named আশিকুর রহমান কনক. তার একটি মাত্র ছেলে রয়েছে যার নাম আশিকুর রহমান কনক। She runs a small boutique called ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা in her village. She runs a small boutique. তিনি একটি ছোট্ট বুটিক শপ পরিচালনা করেন যার নাম হচ্ছে ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা এবং এটি তার গ্রামেই অবস্থিত। লেটস হিয়ার ফ্রম শামিমা। চলো আমরা শামিমার নিকট থেকে শুনি how she succeeded in setting up her boutique. সে কিভাবে তার বুটিক শপটি সুন্দরভাবে পরিচালনা করেছে আমরা তার কাছ থেকেই শুনে নেই। My dear learners, let's learn some new words with meaning. First one is extraordinary. Extraordinary means remarkable. Shamima is an extraordinary woman. Willpower. Willpower means desire. Shamima's willpower and determination made her extraordinary. Aspect. Aspect means feature. Climate and weather affect every aspect of our life. Spirit. Spirit means strength. The cruelty could not defeat Shamima's spirit. Defying. Defying means challenging. Nasreen has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. Defeat means overcome. Success grows out of struggles to defeat difficulties. My dear learners, choose the correct answer from the alternatives. Choose the best answer from the alternative. Look, here are 4 answers given. One is correct answer and another 3 is distractor. এখানে 4টি উত্তর দেয়া আছে, একটি সঠিক উত্তর, বাকি 3টি হচ্ছে বিক্ষেপক। ভবানীপুর is a or an dash village in Bangladesh. Bhabanipur is a usual village in Bangladesh. Day-to-day life in the text refers to the daily life. Shamima has dash experience in her life. Shamima has bitter experience in her life. The above passage highlights the importance of industry. Shamima hails from Zinaida. Shamima went through adversities. Shamima runs a boutique shop. What does the underlined word mean? Run means direct. Shamima is a or an dash woman. Exceptional woman. And last one is the word ordinary means usual. My dear learners, read the passage again. Now match the phrases with the meanings. Day-to-day life, household work, cruel aspect of life, come out as a winner, all the odds of life, typical Bangladeshi village, and unkind happening in life, become victorious, everyday life, difficulties of life, having all the regular features of a Bangladeshi village, domestic source. Now compare with your answer. Day-to-day life, everyday life, household work, domestic source, cruel aspect of life, unkind happening in life, come out as a winner, become victorious, all the odds of life, difficulties of life, typical Bangladeshi village, having all the regular features of a Bangladeshi village. My dear student, read the passage and answer the following questions. How do the people of Bhawanipur spend their daily life? The people of Bhawanipur spend their daily life mostly working in the fields and doing household work. How has she become successful? Here she means Shamima. How has Shamima become successful? Shamima has become successful by dint of her hard work and indomitable spirit along with her willpower and determination. Why do you like Shamima? I like her because despite facing the cruelest aspects of life, she didn't give up. Rather, she became successful by defying all the odds of life. What makes her an extraordinary woman? Shamima's willpower and determination makes her an extraordinary woman. Number 5. How is Shamima described in the text? Shamima has been described as a determined, extraordinary winner and successful in the text. What is Oikko Nari Kullan Sanstha? Oikko Nari Kullan Sanstha is a small boutique in Bhawanipur village run by Shamima. My dear learners, read the following text and fill in the gaps with appropriate words. Bhawanipur is a typical Bangladeshi village in Zinaida. In this village, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. Her willpower and determination have made her different. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life, but the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. She has become a winner, defying all the odds of life. My dear student, here is homework for you. Write a paragraph about Shamima from your imagination. That's all for today. Thank you. Thank you very much.